Hi everyone, my name is Theresa and welcome back to Theresa's Soapbox. Today I'm here to chat about a question I had from a client recently, which is how do a home inspection and appraisal relate to the mortgage? Are they required? Can you skip one if you have the other? Basically, what's involved there? So I'm going to start with a home inspection, which is pretty self-explanatory. You're hiring a licensed inspector to come assess the property. They're going to look at, the condition of its parts, of what they can see, the mechanics of it, so the water heater, how good is it, it's going to last, the plumbing, maybe the roof, how long is your roof going to last, how old is it, and make assessments based on that, suggestions. So if they know that the roof is 20 years old, they may suggest that you will need to replace it in the next 2 to 5 years, something like that. And all of these changes would affect the value of the property in your eyes. Now, in terms of a mortgage, home inspection does not usually come up unless there is something odd about the property that we notice, or there's some interesting history that the lender or the insurer knows about, or even just if you have a purchase agreement and there have been a lot of price adjustments afterwards and there's a little notations for repair of this or improvement of that, the lender might want to see a home inspection report just to make sure that these things are regular maintenance items or just improvements and not indications of bigger problems in the future. Now, an appraisal seems like it's more common in relation to mortgages, but it might actually not be the case. So an appraisal, you're getting a licensed appraiser to come. They usually compare the value of this property to neighboring properties, surrounding properties, to give you a objective third-party assessment of what the value of this property should be. Now, you may have experienced this in the past where a lender asked you to go and get an appraisal for the property. We've actually now been able to negotiate with our lenders over here at Finder Financial Services that we do not need an appraisal in every single case. It used to be the norm, and now we're sort of trying to get away from that to pass the cost savings on to you. And lenders now have ways to do automatic valuations or computerized valuations so that they generally know based on all the statistics what the value should be. In certain more unique circumstances, for instance foreclosure, if you were bidding on a foreclosed property, an appraisal would be necessary and you would be required to provide that. But other than that, barring any unusual circumstance, usually we can get rid of that process, save you some time and some money. So if that's interesting to you, or if you wanted to know more, just give us a call here at Finder Financial Services. Subscribe to our YouTube link over on the side, our YouTube channel, and you'll get notified of our next video when it comes out. And I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.